Hello there and welcome back to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. And if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button, especially if you're into balloon modelling. Because today what I've got for you is a super cool 2-balloon dinosaur. And the thing is, it's not that difficult to make. Let's dive into it. Okay, so this is what we're going to make, a 2-balloon dinosaur. So hopefully you can get a good close look at it there. And it's really, really cool. And I think this design, probably the big advantage for it, is that it looks pretty good and you could do this for line work. Because a lot of the balloon dinosaur designs that I've seen on YouTube or at least 2 balloons, sometimes 3, sometimes 4 balloons, and you're thinking, yeah, that looks really, really good, but I'm not sure how suitable it would be for line work. So I'm going to show you how to make this dinosaur. Arrgh! Better be nice to it, it's going to eat me. I'll have my hand off if I'm not careful. So what you need is a green 260, or any colour. You could use orange, dark green, sort of purple, something for the body, and you could use a 160 or a 260. I'd use a contrasting colour for just to finish off the body of your dinosaur and the tail. So what you want to do is you want to take your 260 and inflate it about halfway and make sure it's quite soft. So there you go, you should have it inflated. So you should have a good sort of 6 to 7 inches uninflated at the end. Give it a squeeze, give it a stretch before we start doing any twisting. So I'm going to make the head first. Do you want about a 2-finger bubble for the head? About that size. And you're going to take the nozzle bit of the balloon, just twist it into the first twist, and then you're going to take it and you're just going to, I'll just put this really, and you just this bit here, I'm just going to feed it through just like that so it doesn't come undone. So we've got the head of our dinosaur, and I want to do next literally a 1-finger bubble. So there you go. So that's what you should have to begin with. Now we're going to do the sort of tricky bit of this design. But if you can do a pinch twist, it shouldn't be too bad. So you're going to do sort of 2-finger bubble, followed by a 1-finger bubble, followed by a 1.5-finger bubble, followed by another 1-finger bubble, and another 2-finger bubble. So that's what you should have. I'm going to take this twist here and twist it here where I've got my 2 fingers, just holding this twist here. So that's what you should have. And to do the sort of feet of our dinosaur, I'm going to do a pinch twist here and a pinch twist here. So you can see we've got the feet of our dinosaur on our front. I'm going to do part of the body. And about a 2 to 3 finger bubble. So something about that length. And then you're going to do a really small bubble, about 1/4, the smaller the better. And you're just going to do a pinch twist that. And you'll see why we're doing that in a moment, because I don't want it to sort of be splayed out like that. And these back legs, if I didn't do that pinch twist, would sort of splay up at the back. So that's why I've done the pinch twist there, to sort of hold the legs in position. And I'm just going to do the same as I did for the front legs, for the back legs. So about a 2-finger bubble, 1-finger bubble, about a 1.5-finger bubble, 1-finger bubble, and a 2-finger bubble. I'm going to take that and I'm going to twist it where I did my pinch twist here. Now, this is a bit tight, it shouldn't maybe be as tight as this, but I'm just going to do another 2-finger bubble, and I'm just going to twist this, so that's my 2-finger bubble, into here, where I've got my finger here. You can see it just dancing around. Now I've got this, so we can pop this off. Just tie a knot in it for insurance purposes. And you see this, the back legs are not finished, so just put the front legs there, and the back legs, just going to do pinch twist here, this bubble, between 2-finger and the 1.5-finger bubble. And I'm going to do the same with this bubble here, between the 1.5-finger bubble and the 2-finger bubble. And you can see why I put that pinch twist in there, because it's holding those legs in position. They're not sort of flying out like that. So that's the body of our dinosaur. That's what it should look like. And now we've just got to finish off the body and give our dinosaur a tail. So I'm going to use a 160. I'm going to let a little bit of air out to keep it nice and soft. Oops. And you should inflate it about halfway. So again, you'll have a good 6-7 inches here uninflated. Give it a squeeze, give it a stretch. Now I'm going to take my dinosaur body, and I'm going to, tied it off there. I'm going to twist that into the sort of neck region. I'm just jiggling my fingers there into that part of the dinosaur. And now I'm going to do about 4 or 5 half-finger bubbles, so about that size. So it'll look like sort of a string of beads when you're finished. I'm just going to do 4, and then my twist here, I'm going to twist it into my pinch twist here. So they're the back legs, there's my pinch twist, just going to twist them in. So you see we're nearly finished. Now you can see I've got the pinch twist here between my tail that's on top and the legs there. You're probably going to have to sort of play around a little bit with the body and the legs just to get that so. And now I'm going to make the tail. So I'm going to make it nice and curly. I'm just going to put a twist there, and I'm just going to pop this off. I'm going to maybe let a smidge of air out, and then just tie that off. And there you go, you've got a super cool 2 balloon dinosaur. Well, we did have a super cool 2 balloon dinosaur. The tail's just uninflated on me, but you get the idea. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, be sure to give it a like, smash that subscribe button, and until I see you next time, thank you for watching, and this is goodbye from Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.